All right. Okay, so let's talk about AI now, or more specifically, morals in AI, okay? Oh, but wait, I think my friend just texted me. Oh, she's asking for some recommendations for some hangout spots in Boston. But I'm also new here, so let's just ask ChatGPT, right? Boston weekend hangout suggestions. Wine tasting and breweries. Sounds good. Okay, so let's just tell her that. Wine City Winery and Brewery, right? So for the people in the back, I think I offended my friend. But why was Mariam offended? I think it's because I mentioned about alcohol. Because in some cultures, alcohol is even considered a taboo. And it's not just about alcohol. Like some things are okay in one culture while a no-no in another. So what do we want? We want AI to have this sense of cultural difference and have a respectable boundary and give its responses suitable for a culture. But why do we want that? To give better recommendations to Mariam? Sure. But there are higher stakes. For example, when we are talking about medicine or even law, where the dilemmas are life and death. And in these situations, we already have AI systems, and they are working from diagnostics to litigation prediction. And these systems, these AI models, they give their responses by learning from massive amount of data. Now this data, it ranges from text to audio to video. But the question is, does this data explicitly embed cultural difference in them? And unfortunately, the answer is not really. It gives almost the same responses to people belonging to different culture. And we want to change that. So that's where Unimoral comes in. Now Unimoral, if we incorporate it with an AI agent, we aspire to get culturally varied or culturally sensitive responses to a query. But the question is, what is Unimoral? So Unimoral is a large data set. It contains a lot of moral dilemmas that ranges from day-to-day life situations to more high-stakes situations like medicine, law, education, or even politics. And these dilemmas, we have them in 6 different languages to capture the cultural variance, the geographical variance, and the linguistic variance of people who speak these languages. We survey native speakers of these languages and ask them that given a moral dilemma, what action would they prefer? And for each action, what would be the consequence in their best opinion? We also ask these speakers what moral or cultural values were influenced, like what moral or cultural values influenced them in taking that particular action. And we saw that in our data, we indeed captured a lot of variance. We captured that people did choose different actions and different consequences based on where they came from, what language they spoke, and what culture they belonged to. They also selected different moral values and different cultural values, and we had like various differences along the globe. So we then incorporated this data set, this manually annotated data set, and we trained our AI model over this data set. And we saw that indeed an AI agent plus Unimoral gave us more culturally aware responses, leading us one step forward to a globally inclusive artificial intelligence. Thank you.